Hello YouTubers, Anything Billy here. Today I am working on my 2004 Silverado Chevrolet pickup truck. I got in it last week to take it home, and wouldn't you know, I hit the brakes and broke in a brake line. Well, I've already spent probably, I don't know, an hour getting it out, but I'm going to show you what you have to do to get this brake line out of this vehicle. It was terrible. Alright, so I got my truck up here on the left. The brake line that broke is the one that goes right there. It goes, this is the fun part. It goes up, around, down through here, down through here. It follows the wiring harness. Through here, through there, through there, through there, and it finally plugs into there. Yeah, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I don't know if you can see that, 6 clips it goes in before you can even get it out. That is ridiculous. So when I get ready to put this back together, oh, and I had to take half of the inner fender out just so I could get to it. I'm gonna try to run this thing a different way, if any way possible, to make it easier on me for the next time. So once I figured out how to run it, I will let you know. Okay, so I finally got this brake line back in. As you can see, there's a new brake line. And as you can see, it's not run the way it was before. I just stuffed it in there because it's too long. So I had to bend it the best I could. It runs up through there, runs down through there. I did try to stick it back through where, you know, sort of kind of where it needs to be. But as you can see, it runs out through here. Runs through there and runs into the connector. Ta-da! Okay, you notice that I've got connector right there. Okay, these Chevrolets, for some odd reason, is a different size on the end here that goes into this module. So you've got to buy an extra 8-inch piece. Well, there's different sizes. So that's my second one, but it fits. So now that that one's back into place, the only thing left to do is to bring her down, bleed the brakes, see if I got any leaks. All right, I got the truck back down. I got the brakes bled, which took me about 45 minutes. I don't understand, it just takes a long time to bleed the brakes on this truck. Well, I replaced the brake line on my mother's Tahoe here. It was the one that ran from all the front to the back, and it was the same way. It got them bled, I drove it, no leaks, no problem. So it's all good. Till next time, bye now.